To enable or disable battery protection or overcharge protection on Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the battery setting, and then in here we have the battery protection, which we can of course just simply deactivate it if you don't want to use it, but of course it is still recommended to keep it enabled and use some form of the protection. If we go to the battery protection itself, you should be able to find some additional settings that you can adjust. You can choose either basic or maximum battery protection, and then over here we should be able to adjust it in here by moving left and right in the case of maximum battery protection. In the case of basic one, your battery can be charged to 100%. When it does reach 100%, then the battery stops charging itself, and when it drops to 95% and it is still connected to the power adapter, then it starts recharging back to 100% again. There is also the adaptive protection available for the basic battery protection, which you can use to stop charging at 80% while you are asleep. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.